My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I love to do my YouTube videos at home. It's so much fun now. Anyway, I worked at IRS for a decade. Yeah, so what I tell you is really important for you to know because, like, I worked at IRS and been outside in tax defense for 41 years. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I've been on the national news. Just go to my website and learn about me, 777irs.com. I don't do infomercials here about myself. You know, when you hire a tax professional or a tax resolution company, there's a number of things that you got to be aware of. God, I know I get so many calls on this phone right here of people ripping off people. And there's reasons that happens. If you are looking at ads, the ads look good, what people can do. You'll see they'll follow you around, this company and that company. I'd say 90% of the tax resolution companies out there are garbage. They really are flat out garbage. I should know. I've been doing this 51 years. I get the calls. I have a national practice, by the way. I have a bit large Facebook group in this sector, so about 5,000 professionals follow me from across the United States. Here's what you need to know. Don't hire a company, hire a firm. If you're going to call a company, you got to ask for the person who's working your case. You've got to talk to the person working your case, not a salesperson, and say, based on this, what can I expect as a result? For instance, if I'm working your IRS tax debt case, I get your financial statement, I'm going to know exactly, 99.9% sure exactly what IRS is going to do with your case. So the real big thing is, remember, they could go ahead and they can mess around with all the reviews they have. They can go ahead and manipulate BBB. There's a lot of things these big companies know how to do. Actually, I think your smaller firms are much better. And the other thing I'm telling you, this is big, is Zoom with the person who is going to work with you. You want to know who the hell they are. Just don't call and say, hey, good luck. Yeah, send me this. You don't know if that. Let me tell you, these firms have salespeople. They're slick. They're smart. And they will out-slick you anytime, and they're doing their one thing to get your money. Remember, except on an IRS audit case, because no one's looked at your books and records, on IRS collection cases, tax debt cases, that person should accurately tell you what's going to happen to your case. Anyway, if you need me, I'm around. Please don't get ripped off. So many people are getting ripped off. Thank you. Give me a subscription. I try to tell you everything you need to know. If you have a comment and you say, hey, Michael, can you do a video on this? I'll certainly consider it. Thank you very much for listening. I appreciate you listening for 3 minutes, I hope. Please give me a subscription.